Hey there, it's Susanna with T-Mobile, and today we're excited to share the new Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. An affordable flagship phone built with all of your favorite features in mind, including a smooth display, a triple lens camera, an all-day intelligent battery, and more. Best of all, it runs on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's start with the screen. The beautiful 6.4-inch Full HD Plus flat display and 120Hz variable refresh rate combine perfectly to give you a vibrant and smooth viewing experience. Plus, it's made with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for a super strong display. And speaking of perfect combos, the screen is perfect for viewing your favorite Netflix shows. Now, we all love a good photo session. The S21 FE 5G has you covered with its triple lens camera and some awesome features, including video with vlogger mode, night mode, and my personal favorite, single take. The triple lens camera features a 12-megapixel wide lens, an 8-megapixel tele lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This AI camera system automatically detects and focuses on your subject, allowing you to focus on taking some awesome portraits. And let's not forget its 32-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for selfies. Now let's check out those features. If you want to include some variety in your videos, check out Vlogger Mode. Vlogger Mode lets you record with the front and back cameras simultaneously and connect with your audiences in a new and fresh way. Now, good lighting can be hard to come by. With Samsung's Night Mode, you can capture crisp images in vivid color. And my favorite feature? Single take. Single take does the heavy lifting for you. Just point and hit record, and you'll have multiple options to choose from. Now, let's talk battery. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G has a 4500 mAh all-day intelligent battery that manages your usage to conserve energy on its own. Plus, with 25-watt Superfast Charging, you can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Or you can skip the cables with wireless charging, and even share some power with a friend with wireless Powershare. Simply place your device on the back of your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The S21 FE 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, there to help level up your gaming, video editing, and social content. The S21 FE comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of on-device storage. The S21 FE 5G has a slim, sleek design with a modern haze finish and is even IP68 dust and water resistant. With 4 awesome colors to choose from: graphite, lavender, olive, and white, and metal detailing, it will boost your fan vibe. In the box, you have the new Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, the Quick Start Guide, and the USB-C charging cable. The new Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G fan-favorite features including a smooth display, triple lens camera, and an all-day intelligent battery, all on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great T-Mobile videos in the future.